You have the square root of 3x plus 13 minus 3 equals x. We'll need to isolate the radical expression on the left side. So we must get rid of negative 3 here. And we can do that if we add both sides by 3. So what do we have there? We have the square root of 3x plus 13 equals x plus 3. And that's the only time we can square both sides. Since we already have this expression isolated on the left side, in order to get rid of the square root, we need to square both sides. It's like what we usually do. And the square of this radical is simply 3x plus 13. But this square here, we need to expand it when we FOIL it, right? So x plus c squared is x plus 3 times x plus 3. And by FOILing, we have x times x, outer x times 3, inner 3 times x, then last term 9. All right, simplify that. We have 3x plus 13, x squared, 3x plus 3x is 6x plus 9. And then the result here is quadratic, right? So we must make this side 0 by subtracting both sides by 3x and then 13. So minus 3x minus 13, also minus 3x minus 13. Now we come up with this result. 0 left side, right side, we now have x squared. 6x minus 3x is 3x. 9 minus 13, negative 4. And our next step here is to factor this quadratic. And we have to consider your factors negative 4, positive 3, sum. What are those two numbers whose product is negative 4 and sum positive 3? 1 and negative 1 and 4. By negative 1 plus times 4 is negative 4. Negative 1 plus 4, you have 3. All right, so what are your factors now? It will be x. That's correct. That's going to be x minus 1 and x plus 4. So what are those x values? We set each factor to 0. We have x minus 1 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. Now let's continue. Let's see what we have. So what's x here? For x minus 1 equals 0, we add both sides by 1, so x is equal to 1. How about here? Minus 4 both sides, x equal to negative 4. Let's see which of these is a solution. So we need to check. Check x equals 1. So if x equal to 1, we used the original equation a while ago. It's this, right? So let's plug in 1 to x. If 3 times 1 plus 13 minus 3 equals 1. 3 times 1, you have 3 plus, okay, plus 13. And that's equal to 16, right? Square root of 16 is going to be 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, this one is a solution. How about this? X equals negative 4. So again, looking at this, we plug in negative 4 to x. We have 3 times negative 4 plus 13 minus 3 equals negative 4. Note that the square root is only extended up to 13. We don't have, this one is not in the square root, minus 3. Okay, so what's 3 times negative 4? Negative 12. Negative 12 plus 13, it's 1. Square root of 1 is 1. And what's 1 minus 3? Negative 2. Are they equal? Oh, this one is false. Therefore, this one is not a solution. So we can cross this out. The only solution is x equals 1.